This video will highlight the numerous design and product features that have gone into the development of TradeShark intermarket analysis software. Upon opening up TradeShark after the conclusion of each trading day, you'll be greeted by this helpful start page, which highlights some recent market news like mergers and acquisitions, symbol changes, as well as some recent updates that have been made to your software. You'll also notice some recent portfolios that you have created, as well as some recent Intelliscans. This makes the software very easy and quick to use after each trading day. To the very left-hand side of your screen, you'll see the TradeShark market tree, which houses all of your markets like futures and commodities, forex pairs, as well as stock and ETF groups. If you'd like to open up a new chart, you simply need to identify the market you would like to open, click, drag and drop into the charting area. Before opening up a new chart, you'll have the option of selecting from a template as well as a date range for how the charts will appear on your screen. Templates are simply a predefined layout for how the indicators will appear on your chart. TradeShark comes included with a number of predefined layouts like short, medium, and long-term trend predictions. However, traders can create and customize these templates as they see fit, so that all charts open with the same configuration. In this example for the US dollar index, you can see how clear and accurate TradeShark's trend forecasts are. When TradeShark's blue predicted moving average line crosses below the actual moving average, a red shaded area will appear. This is TradeShark forecasting that the market is expected to move lower. And as you can see, the market moved lower for about 8 or 9 trading days after that prediction came through. Additionally, when TradeShark's blue predicted moving average line crosses above the actual moving average, TradeShark is predicting the market to move higher. Traders can then accept long positions in the market, and as you can see in this example for the dollar index, the market has moved up about $1,400 per contract in just about 23 trading days. Because TradeShark forecasts the markets with a consistently high level of accuracy, traders can make money when markets move up and also when markets move down. If you look towards the right-hand side of your screen, you will notice the indicator tray, which houses all of TradeShark's predictive indicators. If I'd like to add a new indicator to the chart, I simply need to identify the selection, click, drag and drop into the charting area. In this example, you can see I've added neural index strength to the bottom of this chart. However, the customization options within TradeShark don't end with simply adding and removing indicators. I can click, drag and drop the indicators to wherever I would like them to appear. For example, if I wanted to move the neural index indicator and include it with neural index strength at the bottom of my chart, I can simply click, drag and drop it to that area. Now both indicators are included in the same field. Additionally, if I also wanted to see my short-term trend prediction, I would have the option of dragging my medium-term trend prediction, which is against the price data currently, moving it to its own separate area, and adding the short-term trend prediction to the price data. This allows me to identify markets with the highest probability of a trending move. I then have the option of saving these templates so that all my charts appear the same way. If I go to Save Template As, we can go ahead and title this template Short and Medium Trends. We can include a small description of the template and then save it. Since we have gone ahead and saved this template, we now have the option of selecting it from the bottom of our market tree. Notice a new template has been created titled Short and Medium Trends. If we select this option, any chart that we open will now show this customized template. Now that you've seen how easy it is to work with TradeShark's predictive indicators and create customized templates of your own, let me show you a few options available to you for creating customized portfolios and organizing your charts. Let's say, for example, I wanted to create a portfolio that only included stocks within the energy sector of the US stock market. I simply need to identify the selection, click on the sector, and drag and drop it into my empty portfolio. As you can see, the 27 energy markets are now included and are quickly available from this section. I can then decide to open all 27 of these markets in chart form or select the individual markets that I would like to see. I then have the option of saving this portfolio and coming back to it at a later date by simply locating the Portfolio tab, clicking Save As, and we can title this portfolio Energy. When we come back to this portfolio, it will appear exactly as we've saved it, with the 27 markets available within our portfolio and the 2 markets that we've decided to see open in chart form open and available. Now that you've learned how to create and customize portfolios, let me explain TradeShark's Intelliscan feature, which will allow us to scan through thousands of trading opportunities to identify the most profitable trades. If I wanted to run a scan for all the technology stocks within the US stock market, I simply need to identify the sector, right-click and choose Add to Intelliscan. We can title this scan Tech. Now, as you can see, an entirely new field has been created above your charting area. This includes all the individual technology stocks sorted by TradeShark's predictive indicators. If I wanted to look for a new trading opportunity, I can simply sort through my columns and choose a value of 1. This will present me with all the medium-term crossovers that TradeShark had generated. Additionally, if I were only looking for positions to get long the market, I could sort by crossovers that had moved to the upside. As you can see, of the 77 markets available within the technology sector, we've quickly sorted down to 7 that meet this specific trading criteria. We can then decide if we'd like to open up all these charts or select individual ones to add to our portfolio. As you can see, this market was added to our open portfolio. We can then scan through other sectors or other markets to identify trading opportunities and then create portfolios based off of markets that meet our specific trading criteria. It's important to note that the Intelliscan feature runs completely independently from these portfolios, so you don't need to open up all the charts when you'd like to run a scan. This is extremely helpful and can really streamline the process of scanning through countless trading opportunities. TradeShark is an extremely powerful trading technology, but thanks to its design, it's been made simple and easy to use. So regardless of your trading experience, you can start benefiting from TradeShark's patented technology that's able to predict and forecast trend direction with an extremely high level of accuracy. If you're interested in the TradeShark software and would like more information, please go to www.tradeshark.com.